On the morning of June 30th, 1908, the world witnessed a series of baffling, unexplained phenomena. Far away in London, pressure gauges at the Royal Observatory suddenly spiked, followed by a series of fluctuations over the next several days. Across Europe, people reported an eerie, glowing sky at night. These were the distant echoes of something immense. At a desolate, remote location in Siberia, an event of cosmic proportions had just occurred. Eyewitnesses described a blinding blue-white flash in the sky, followed by a shockwave that knocked people off their feet and shattered windows kilometers away. But when a team finally reached ground zero years later, they found something extraordinary. 80 million trees flattened in a distinct radial pattern, all pointing away from a central point, but no crater, no fragments, and no smoking gun. The mystery of the Tunguska Event had begun. The remoteness of the site, and the chaos of early 20th century Russia, meant that no serious scientific expedition reached the area until 1927, nearly 2 decades after the event. Leading the charge was the Soviet mineralogist Leonid Kulik. He and his team faced immense challenges, trekking for months through the unforgiving Siberian taiga. What they discovered was both a scientific marvel and a frustrating enigma. Kulik meticulously mapped out the butterfly pattern of the flattened trees, a clear indicator of a massive explosion. But despite exhaustive searches, they found no central crater, no large meteorite fragments, and no clear evidence of an impact. This perplexing absence was what set Tunguska apart from any known meteor strike and deepened the mystery. Over the years, numerous theories have emerged to explain Tunguska. The most widely accepted and scientifically supported is the Airburst theory. This posits that a stony asteroid or a comet, perhaps 60 to 80 meters across, entered Earth's atmosphere and exploded between 5 to 10 kilometers above the ground. This would have generated a powerful airburst that created the flattened trees and the shockwave, but would have left no crater. The object would have disintegrated almost entirely, leaving behind little to no solid material. This theory is supported by modern simulations and explains the key perplexing details of the event. While other, more fringe theories have been proposed, from a miniature black hole passing through Earth to an alien spacecraft explosion, these lack any scientific evidence and are largely dismissed by the scientific community. The airburst theory is the most logical explanation for this century-old puzzle. The Tunguska event remains a mystery not because we don't have a plausible theory, but because we lack definitive material evidence. Yet the puzzle continues to teach us. Scientists have since found micro-traces of extraterrestrial material in the soil, and tree resin from the area, bolstering the airburst hypothesis. This event was a wake-up call, a powerful reminder of Earth's vulnerability to cosmic impacts. It forced us to realize that such an event could happen again and without warning. Today, Tunguska's legacy lives on in a new mission, planetary defense. Observatories and space missions are now dedicated to identifying and tracking near-Earth objects, or NEOs, ensuring that we are better prepared for the next cosmic visitor. The Tunguska event, a century-old enigma, ultimately fueled a new age of discovery, pushing us to understand our place in the cosmos and to protect the only home we have. Like the video? Then like, follow, and subscribe.